Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add page number in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now select Insert option and here you will find this page number option. This page number format. You can select any of this and more page option. You can add page number footer. I'll add footer. So first number. Now I will start page number from 1 and apply. And see this page number from start from page 1 to. Also you can change page number format. Double click on this page number. Now you can change page number color, red color. Also you can make it bold, italic, and increase size. Also you can decrease. You can align it left and see this. And then all of this page number are now changed. Also you can insert page number option. You can start page number from page 2. Sorry, starting from number 2 and apply. And click and see this. Page number start from number 2 and number 1 now missing. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.